Okay, now we'll move on with step 69, and we want B11s, which are these two pieces, and these get glued here on the front. They're up against these sides here, not on the inside, on the outside. And there's little outline marks on the floor where they go. And step 70 shows to put C07 along this edge, and C07 is a brown fence. It goes with the 2 points sticking out, and it goes right there. C08 is next, and that's one of these. And then we want C09. C09 is the one with 3 bars in it. Would be this one. That goes here. And if you look at the lines on here, you can see it stays in from this edge. And in step 73, we need C10. And C10 is this railing. It's 2.8 centimeters long and has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vertical bars in it. And it goes there. And then we kind of repeat it back this side. We do C07, which is this one again. And like the other one, the little bars, these 2 little bars face out. Next is C08, which is this one. And next is C09. And that again is placed with the two little legs sticking to the back here. And it's placed on the inside. And finally, C10. And there we have our porch fences.